Well, I feel this new device, the Vanquish, is a radio frequency device that can be a game changer. I mean, it has the ability to use RF energy, and it comes on platforms that are laying adjacent to the abdomen or whatever area you're treating. And it's almost similar to having electric energy go through a light bulb. When you hit the filament there, there's the resistance, and the fat has a different resistance from the skin and the muscle. So it focuses that electrical energy there, and it kind of melts away or destroys the fat, and you get a reduction sometimes of 3 to 4 inches in the circumference of your waist by just lying there and feeling like a warm heating pad on you. This seems to have studies, well, it was done a lot in Europe at Prague, and some animal studies that really showed the science. They got the fat tissue from the animals, and it shows that there's actual destruction of the subcutaneous fat layer. And each treatment, you get about a 10% reduction. So 4 treatments is ideal. And if you take a cross-section of the fat that's treated, it shows that there's scarring in it, and it shows that the fat is removed, and the skin and the muscle are closer together. So it seems to be pretty reproducible. I went down about an inch and a half, 2 treatments on my belly, so I was a guinea pig, and when it worked on me, I figured I was going to jump in. I was skeptical at first, but I like the results I'm putting my belly on. The ideal candidate is someone who is probably 10 to 15, maybe 20 pounds from their ideal weight, someone who doesn't want liposuction or body sculpting like we do, someone who just doesn't have really the desire to have any downtime. So they can come in at lunchtime for half an hour, go under our machine, we dial in the proper resistance and the proper energy settings, and it feels like you're laying with a heating blanket, or maybe even laying there with a warm blanket on you. There's zero pain associated with it. It's just warm. I mean, it's different from the cryptolysis machines where there's suction and pain, and and this has the largest spot treatment size. It's about a 7-inch wide panel or 8, and it goes across your whole abdomen like wings. So it treats probably almost 2/3 of your abdomen or half of your abdomen at one sitting. So it's got the largest treatment area of any device that's on the market for non-invasive fat. It's not going to be like body sculpture or liposuction, but for that, a candidate that's, like I said, 10 to 20 pounds from their ideal weight, who's a gym, works out a lot, who can't get rid of their love handles, or women, their outer thighs or hips, someone who just doesn't really qualify or want to have liposuction. I think this fills that niche because it gives you the ability to treat them. There's no downtime, and on Real Self, there's about an 86% satisfaction rate, which is pretty high with any cosmetic type device.